Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best pour-over coffee maker is Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. Chemex brewers are ideal for making large quantities of coffee. The proprietary filters aid in the trapping of oils from the beans, reducing some of the unpleasant bitter flavors that can overpower an otherwise more delicate, nuanced flavor profile. Each brew was full-bodied without being oily or heavy, and tasters were able to identify at least one of the coffee roaster's advertised tasting notes. The brews were consistent every time, whether we brewed 2 or 6 cups. Cleaning is simple because most Chemex models can be placed directly in the dishwasher once the wooden collar is removed, and the company recommends swishing hot soapy water around inside the carafe and rinsing as an alternative method. With an hourglass shape, wooden collar, and leather tie, the brewer has been around for a while, but it still feels as stylish as it is approachable. It's the kind of thing you can keep on your counter all the time. Chemex makes 3 types of brewers: traditional glass handle models with a handle instead of a wooden collar, and hand-blown. Number 2 in our side is Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker. The borosilicate glass decanter is thermal resistant enough to be heated on the stove on a low flame. The 34-ounce decanter fits 8 4-ounce cups of coffee, making it ideal for when you have guests over. The decanter and filter are dishwasher safe, while the wooden sleeve and sleeve tie can be cleaned with a few swipes of a cloth. Dual layers of 304 stainless steel allow fine oils from coffee powder to infuse themselves into your coffee, creating a richer, fuller flavor and no coffee ground deposits. All materials are BPA-free, including measuring spoons, glass, filter, and wooden handle. You have full control of the coffee making process. Change up the water temperature, water flow, and coffee ground concentration to make your coffee customized to you. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best pour-over coffee maker list is Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker. The Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker has a fine mesh stainless steel filter that eliminates the need for paper filters. This promotes the pure unfolding of the flavor. No more paper filters that trap the essential oils and flavors. Wait 10 to 15 seconds after the boil has completed before pouring water in. Bodum has created a beautiful yet simple coffee maker. It's made of heat-resistant glass and comes with a cork band and a stainless steel mesh filter, he says, emphasizing that this is a plus because paper filters can absorb some of the coffee's oils while also being bad for the environment. This pour-over coffee maker is one of the most cost-effective coffee products available, thanks to its low price, beautiful minimalistic design, durability, and environmentally friendly design. It's dishwasher safe for those mornings when washing by hand takes too long. Use a circular motion over the ground coffee until soaked. Slowly pour the remaining hot water into the filter. The coffee will drip into the borosilicate glass carafe. For the best possible flavor, let it brew for about 4 minutes. After the 4-minute brew is complete, remove the filter from the carafe and you are free to enjoy a delicious cup of pour-over coffee. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is a Sobu insulated pour-over coffee maker. This pour-over coffee maker offers insulated, copper-lined double-wall technology that makes it heat-resistant for easier gripping and helps keep coffee hot and fresh for an amazing 12 hours at a time. Perfect for early mornings or long stretches at work. This 32-ounce coffee carafe pour-over dripper is made with heat-resistant borosilicate glass and features an ergonomic, easy-carry design that makes it ideal for single-cup use, hosting parties, or all-day enjoyment. Hot and fresh coffee up to 12 hours. A double-walled, vacuum-insulated design helps our coffee carafe retain drink temperatures for 12 hours to ensure a bold, fresh brewed taste from the moment you make it until the last drop. Stainless steel micro mesh filter. Each pour-over coffee dripper features a reusable micro mesh filter that blocks debris, coffee grounds, and impurities from impacting taste, which means no more expensive paper filters. Eco-friendly, reusable, BPA-free, crafted with food-grade materials, our pour-over coffee maker is stain and odor-resistant, easy to clean, and super portable for use at home, work, or traveling. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is fellow Stag pour-over coffee maker. The perfected pour-over with custom coffee filters that have been designed specifically for the Stag steep slope and its pour-and-go fill-up method of brewing. Brew your specialty coffee directly into the carafe with a pour-over dripper or use it to steep your favorite tea. This transparent carafe works great for cold brew, mixing cocktails and elixirs. For the brewer who wants a bright, clean cup of filter coffee with a little less effort and attention to detail early in the morning. You're a coffee expert or coffee novice, our stainless steel stag dripper sets will help you consistently brew the perfect pour over cup. Use the ratio A to ensure the right amount of coffee every time. Take advantage of our precision-engineered features, a double-wall vacuum-insulated body for heat retention, a steep slope for higher extraction, and a unique no-clog hole pattern to kick your pour-over recipe up a notch. Love coffee and are obsessed with product design. Fellow believes you should never have to choose between aesthetics and functionality when handcrafting a brew. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a beginner, we believe everyone should have fun with the craft of brewing.